Check out these 6 rainy season hacks to keep your grains fresh and pest-free. Kitchen tips. As the rainy season brings high humidity and unwanted pests, protecting your pantry essentials becomes a challenge. But worry not, as you can adopt some home remedies to prevent grains kept at home from spoiling during the rainy season. These methods will not only protect your grains from insects but also address issues arising from weather-related humidity. They are cost-effective and will keep your grains safe for a long time. And by adopting these clever remedies, you can protect your grains from humidity and pests throughout the monsoon season. No chemicals, just pure kitchen wisdom. Latest blogs.